bit early, don't you think? Just going to do the upper body because we're going to focus on the back, lats. What else are we going to do? Maybe arms a little bit.
Yep, and maybe traps.
Okay. Okay. So what I'm going to do, because we're not linking up the legs and the glutes, I'm going to actually put the quads on your traps. How do we feel?
Yeah, good.
Ready?
Yep.
Cool. Do you say the lats or the arms?
The lats.
Okay, going up. How's it feeling?
It's exhausting.
That's only 60 kilos.
Right, we'll increase the weight and go.
Or, no, let's keep the weight and increase the electrodes. Nah. Okay, what do we want on the bar?
We'll go 100 on the bar. Increase the electrodes. Yeah.
And what do you want for your rest? Enough to put it down?
Yeah. Go 20 seconds.
Too heavy or too much electrodes?
But it's off.
What do you usually row?
140.
How many reps was that? Okay, 2. Whilst it's on, so what are we experimenting with today?
I don't know, what are we doing?
We're seeing...
We're trying to do a full back workout while contracting and keeping the weight relative to how I lift without the suit on.
I think we already failed that one.
Majorly.
Let's go 9 or 10.
13. I actually don't know how much I'm going to get done. This is exhausting.
Ready? How you feeling? Maybe not to the chest?
No chest. Oh my god,
I stuck.
Core and back.
Yep.
Good. We're getting close to, it's probably like the first third of my back workout, and we're getting close to not being able to do much more. So. I think my back can take it.
Okay, what's next?
They look like Michael Phelps at the end of this. My lats moving backwards. Let's do some arms. And then...
Yeah, they need it.
Yeah, skinny. And then some core. I have to set my feet, otherwise I'll walk out.
Okay, and ready, and let's go.
Holy shit. Holy shit.
It's about to go on. Should I pause it?
Yes. Whew. Oh my God. When I finish the crunch, my quads tingle. You're not telling me it's back on.
Oh yeah, it's back on. That makes it worse.
That's fucking intense. That's actually really intense. That's it. I'm done.
How do you feel?
I actually feel pretty good. I reckon I can do that all over again. No, it's really good. It cut my usual workout in more than half. I usually get more than double those kind of back exercises in, and completely fatigued me after what, 4? So yeah, if you're short on time, definitely would do that again. See how I feel soreness wise and see the results. I'm shredded more, but yeah, it's good.